Okay, student. Good morning to all of you. Myself, Sanis Pandey, your physics teacher. So today I will continue the same topic which I am discussing in my previous video. तो इन प्रीवियस जो हम डिस्कस कर रहे थे आप लोग के साथ, वो हमारा टॉपिक ये था कि डायरेक्शन ऑफ ईएमएफ, डायरेक्शन ऑफ इंड्यूस्ड ईएमएफ आर करंट, या हम ये कह सकते हैं एक्सप्लेनेशन ऑफ लेंज लॉ विथ एग्जाम्पल। तो इसके पहले की प्रीवियस वीडियो में हमने दो एग्जाम्पल्स डिस्कस किया था और इसी को आगे बढ़ाते हुए इसी को कंटिन्यू हम इस नेक्स्ट वीडियो में भी करते हैं। अब हम एक अनदर एग्जाम्पल, जो यहाँ पर थर्ड एग्जाम्पल है हमारा ये, और वो दिस वन इज अ थर्ड वन। हियर द मैग्नेटिक फील्ड, फर्स्टली we'll take in the magnetic field here. This one is a magnetic field here, और you all know कि direction of the magnetic field here normally outward. Direction of the magnetic field is normally outward. Now kept a conducting coil here. This one is a rectangular coil to be kept in it, and taken a current carrying conductor in which current I is in increasing manner. We will know magnetic field due to infinitely long straight conductor is directly proportional to current flowing through it. हम सभी को ये मालूम है कि अगर कोई इनफाइनाइटली लॉन्ग कंडक्टर है तो उसके कारण किसी पॉइंट पर जो मैग्नेटिक फील्ड है वो डायरेक्टली प्रोपोर्शनल टू करंट पासिंग और फ्लोइंग थ्रू इट। आप यहां से देख सकते हैं इस कंडीशन में कि करंट आई इज इन इंक्रीजिंग मैनर। ठीक है, अब करंट आई इज इंक्रीजिंग मैनर, वी विल नो कि वी इज डायरेक्टली प्रोपोर्शनल टू आई, इट मीन्स मैग्नेटिक फील्ड इज इंक्रीज। यहां पर इंक्रीज, करंट इंक्रीज, और अगर करंट इंक्रीज होगा तो V is directly proportional to I, therefore magnetic field V increase. Upward arrow for this increase, or increase, it means since phi is directly proportional to V, therefore flux linked with the coil will also change. इस कॉइल से लिंक्ड फ्लक्स की वैल्यू भी चेंज होगी। क्यों चेंज होगी? क्योंकि करंट आई इंक्रीज हो रहा है। आई इंक्रीज होगा तो मैग्नेटिक फील्ड भी इंक्रीज होगा, मैग्नेटिक फील्ड भी इंक्रीज होगा तो फ्लक्स चेंज होगा, और फ्लक्स जो चेंज होगा वो भी इंक्रीज होगा। अगेन लॉ ऑफ ईएमआई। अब अगर हम लॉ ऑफ ईएमआई को फॉलो करें यहां पर, तो लॉ ऑफ ईएमआई से इंड्यूस्ड ईएमएफ प्रोड्यूस्ड होगा, इंड्यूस्ड ईएमएफ प्रोड्यूस्ड होगा, और अगर ये लूप, अगर ये कॉइल इज इन क्लोज्ड फॉर्म, देन induced current to be flows through it। अब इसी इंड्यूस्ड करंट की हमें डायरेक्शन बतानी है यहां पर। आइए इस रिजल्ट को यहां देखते हैं कि जो नॉर्मली आउटवर्ड मैग्नेटिक फील्ड है, द नॉर्मली आउटवर्ड मैग्नेटिक फील्ड बी इज द कॉज ड्यू टू विच magnetic flux linked with the coil to be changed, EMF is induced। Means the EMF are current induced to be oppose the increasing magnetic field। It means magnetic field B gets reduces, it means the direction of the apparent magnetic field, direction of the apparent magnetic field is normally inward। The direction of apparent magnetic field is normally inward। So using Cork rule, at the upper face of the coil is the south pole, and at the lower face north pole, then clock of the current is a clockwise। Get the direction। Just conversely, we'll take normally inward magnetic field here. You can see this normally inward magnetic field here, you can observe this, and an infinitely long current conductor in which current flowing through it is in the decreasing manner। अब यहां करंट क्या हो रहा है, decreasing manner। Again you will apply the same rule here now to place a circular coil, circular conducting coil, circular conducting, because here I is decreasing, magnetic field is normally inward, since B is directly proportional to I, therefore B gets decreases, or B gets decreases, it means flux phi B decreases। By law of EMI, flux encloses through the loop is decreases। The change in flux linked with the circular loop decreases EMF induced, it means induced current to be flow। और अगर यहां पर इंड्यूस्ड करंट होगा तो क्वेश्चन ये आता है कि अगर ये मैग्नेटिक फील्ड सॉरी मैग्नेटिक फील्ड gets decreases, तो EMF always opposes the cause, means start opposing the decrease of magnetic field. It means for that apparent magnetic field V increases, और अगर ये इंक्रीज होगा यहां पर, ये अपेरेंट है यहां पर आपका जो फ्लक्स चेंज के कारण हुआ, तो डायरेक्शन क्या होगी? नॉर्मली इनवर्ड, और नॉर्मली इनवर्ड होगा तो कॉर्क रूल एट द अपर फेस साउथ एंड एट द लोअर फेस नॉर्थ पोल. तो कन्वर्स ऑफ द रूल, clock of the current through the loop is a clockwise. Let us note this. Okay, student, let us see the next example from related topic, direction of induced EMF or current. Now here in this case we'll take a current carrying wire in which current I gets constant, and a magnetic field here. Here magnetic field which is normally inward. Can we see that? Now a current carrying coil, a conducting coil now kept in the given magnetic field V. Here in this condition, this conducting coil is now in motion, means the distance or separation from the conductor to be changed. Progressively to the change. Here we will know the magnetic field is inversely proportional to the distance A or R. Can we say small r? As well as this conducting coil goes away from the conductor, current carrying conductor, the magnetic field B gets reduces. और इफ मैग्नेटिक फील्ड V गेट्स रिड्यूसेस तो फ्लक्स चेंज भी also changes, but reduces by law of EMI. By law of EMI, EMF are current is induced. EMF or current is induced. इसका क्या मतलब हुआ कि यहां पर ये कंडक्टिंग कॉइल इस करंट कैरिंग कंडक्टर जिसमें कांस्टेंट करंट I फ्लो हो रहा है कंटिन्यूअसली गोज अवे फ्रॉम द कंडक्टर. Magnetic field B gets reduces, so flux changes also reduces. By law of EMI, EMF or current is induced. It means the apparent magnetic field, those which is opposing the cause, to be increase it. It means the apparent magnetic field B ये क्या होगा? Increase. It means its direction will also normally inward. Will also, क्यों? क्योंकि जो कॉज है वो मैग्नेटिक फील्ड रिड्यूस हो रहा है. जब रिड्यूस हो रहा है तो अपेरेंट मैग्नेटिक फील्ड ऑलवेज रिड्यूसिंग मैग्नेटिक फील्ड के डायरेक्शन में होगा. और अगर रिड्यूसिंग मैग्नेटिक फील्ड की डायरेक्शन में होगा तो एट द अपर फेस ऑफ द कॉइल the polarity is the south and the lower face is a north. Then current flows through the coil is a clockwise. ऐसी एक एग्जांपल और भी हम लोग डिस्कस कर सकते हैं. क्या एग्जाम्पल यहां पर हमारा ये है कि ये एक अनदर एग्जाम्पल है जो करंट I यहां टेक इन कांस्टेंट करंट I कांस्टेंट, अ कंडक्टिंग कॉइल डूइंग अपवर्ड मोशन. इट मीन्स द डिस्टेंस R is taken constant here. For infinitely long straight conductor, magnetic field will depend on I as well as inversely proportional to R. Here both I and R remains with respect to the current carrying conductor. So therefore V constant, flux change phi B, flux change 0, EMF, no induced EMF or current is produced. No induced EMF or current is produced. अब देखिए कितना इंटरेस्टिंग कंडीशन आपके सामने डेवलप हो गई. यहां पर आप यहां देख सकते हैं कि पहले से ही एक लेट एज्यूम कर लिया कि करंट फ्लोइंग थ्रू द लॉन्ग इनफाइनाइट कंडक्टर इज टेकन कांस्टेंट. द कंडक्टिंग कॉइल इज in upward motion. It means the separation, the position of the coil with respect to the long straight conductor remains constant. If both are remains constant, it means V constant. B constant, तो flux change zero. Flux change zero, तो by law of EMI no induced EMF or current is produced. Okay. Let us note. Let us see the next example. Here, this is a magnetic field, constant magnetic field, and directed normally. We will know, directed normally inward. Now here a conducting coil with velocity v enter into the given magnetic field. Here, very interesting. When this conducting coil to be outside of the given magnetic field, there were no flux linked with the coil, but when it will progressively enter inside the magnetic field, area encloses the flux or field line to be increases. It means we know phi v is directly proportional to E. तो अगर यहां पर A इंक्रीज हो रहा है, एरिया इनक्लोजेस द मैग्नेटिक फील्ड इंक्रीज हो रहा है, इसका क्या मतलब हुआ? A इंक्रीज हो रहा है, एरिया इनक्लोजेस द फ्लक्स increases. Phi v change, it means increases. By law of EMI, EMF or current is induced. EMF or current is induced. इसका क्या मतलब हुआ कि यहां पर जो मैग्नेटिक फील्ड है V, जो रिलेटेड मैग्नेटिक फील्ड है, वो कैसे है? नॉर्मली डाउनवर्ड है. तो अपेरेंट मैग्नेटिक फील्ड क्या होगा? अपेरेंट फील्ड B gets reduces the given and reduces the given. It means in that condition, at the upper face of the coil, the polarity is a north pole, because the reducing magnetic field is normally outward. If at the upper face is a north and at the lower face is a south pole, then by the Cork rule, the clock of the current through it is a anti-clockwise. But when the whole current loop completely enter inside the magnetic field, then flux increase start get stop. Flux increase get stop. After that, before man okay, let us note it. After that, we will see the magnet coil example. Now let us see the magnet coil example. There are 4 cases here. We will discuss here 4 cases. First, when both magnet and coil are in rest. अगर यहां पर दोनों रेस्ट में हैं तो ऐसी कंडीशन में कोई इंड्यूस्ड करंट प्रोड्यूस नहीं होगा. क्यों नहीं होगा? रीजन इसके पीछे क्या है कि जो मैग्नेटिक फील्ड लाइंस यहां पास हो रही हैं तो चेंज नहीं हो रही हैं, और ऐसे में flux encloses through the coil will not be changed. Or if flux encloses through the coil will not be changed, इसका क्या मतलब हुआ कि there were no EMF is induced or current to be flows through it. But now take in the next another case. When a magnetic north, this is north pole of the magnet moving towards the conducting loop, then flux encloses through the coil gets increased. क्योंकि यहाँ flux encloses through the coil gets increases, तो law of Lenz law states that EMF or current induced is always such that it opposes the cause producing it. Means यहां जो cause है वो क्या है? Relative motion between the magnet and the coil. It means if this magnet, in that case, due to which flux linked with the conducting coil increases, to be opposed. Oppose, it means the increasing magnetic field is outward. So apparent magnetic field is towards the magnet. Due to that cause, the polarity developed towards the magnetic pole is same as that it will repel it. It means the north pole is developed due to the induced EMF or current towards the magnet. So current induced through the conducting coil is anti-clockwise. But if, next condition, if that magnet, same pole, goes away from the conducting coil, the magnetic flux linked with coil gets reduces in that case. Or if the magnetic field gets reduces, so EMF induced, EMF or current induced to oppose the cause due to which the magnetic flux linked with coil decreases. It means it will attract and the polarity will develop towards the face of the pole of the magnet is a south pole, and clock of the current is clockwise. Similarly, if same magnet coil condition, but here north pole of the magnet moving towards the south pole of the magnet moving towards the so in that case the magnetic flux linked with coil, or you can say the polarity which will oppose to coming near the conducting coil, means repel it, so clock of the current towards its face is a clockwise. Similarly, let us take the next case. If north pole goes away from the conducting coil, the polarity north pole and the clock of the current is an anti-clockwise. So yeah, there are the different cases for the magnet coil. Due to the relative motion flux linked with the coil to be changed and induced EMF or current to be passed through it. Okay.